Hi, so I've been getting some questions on how you create a Google Classroom slide with your Bitmoji as well as interactive links. So here's a quick tutorial on how to do so. So first I'm going to go to Google Slides and come up with a new presentation. I'm going to highlight the entire box to delete the inside pieces. So I'm just going to hit the delete button so that I have a nice blank canvas to work with. I'm now going to search the web and look for a room floor plan because I want this to look like a classroom. So this is the one I've been using. I'm going to go ahead and click that and then it's going to say one selected on the bottom, and I am going to go ahead and insert that image. And then I'm going to resize that image to the canvas that I'm working with. So that just means you drag your little corners. Oops, I didn't mean to do that. That resized the entire thing because obviously it's a different aspect ratio. So I need to use the edges so that I can go ahead and pull that out so that it fits the entire slide. So once I have my slide filled with my little fake classroom, I am going to start changing some things on it and show you how to add some links. So I do have my Bitmoji created, so that will just get inserted. I'll tell you how to make a Bitmoji separately if you wish. So I'm going to go ahead and put in a shape on the background because I do not like this wall color. So I went shapes, pulled up a square, and I'm now going to draw a square over the entire back of this classroom. So once I do that, I am going to, so it's automatically going to fill with white because it's not transparent. I am going to go over to the borders tab. So borders, and I'm going to select a transparent border. Then I am going to go and I'm just going to fill it with any color I want on here. Nope, that one's too dark. Maybe an orange. No. Peach. Oh yeah, there we go. That's a really nice one. Okay, so I'm going to leave the peach background as my background and just click off to the side so that I deselect that object. Now I need to add some stuff to this. So I'm going to put a couch in here. Now, when you are looking for a couch, you need something that is actually a transparent object. So you need something with a transparent background. There are ways you can make these your own in Photoshop, but for now we're going to use the search function. Okay, I was looking for something mid-century and it's just not gonna, I don't think I'm gonna find anything. So I'm just gonna look up transparent furniture and see if I can find anything interesting. Uh-oh, it came up with glass furniture, so that's a little different. Let's see, I'm gonna put in chair PNG. So a PNG is a transparent file, but so far I'm not seeing any chairs I like. That one's okay. But I think I'm probably going to search for, no, I'm probably going to search for something else. Okay, so I'm going to look for a couch PNG now. Okay, so some of these are PNGs, but they're really ugly. I want one that actually looks like I could sit on it. This one's not bad. Let's see what happens if I use this. No, it has a background, so I'm going to go ahead and delete that. And I'm going to go back to my search and search from the web. And I'm just going to scroll down, see if I can find anything more interesting in here. That's not horrible. All right, let's try inserting this. Oh, it's unable to create that. Never mind. I'm not going to use that one. So back to my search. Oh, I like this one. That'll work. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and insert that. Okay, it might take a second to create your image depending on the image size. So just give it a sec. I was trying to see if, there we go. Okay, so it did work, but it's obviously way too big. So I'm going to use the scaled corners. So if you pull from the corners, it will keep the aspect ratio of the object you're pulling around. And you can go ahead and position it in wherever you would like it in your frame. So now I'm going to go ahead and add other stuff to this. So first thing I'm going to add, I'm going to actually add my Bitmoji. So I have the Bitmoji tool up on my Google bar and all of my Bitmojis have been made. So I'm going to go ahead and use this cool one of me wearing sunglasses and walking into the classroom all fancy. And you just drag and drop that out of the Bitmoji add-on or the Bitmoji app into your frame. So I am way too big. That is way too big. So I'm going to size that down just a little bit. All right, there we go. And reposition it to where it looks like I'm walking in the room. Okay, that looks cool. I'm also going to put some text on the wall. So if you were to create a whiteboard or something like that, you can then add text to that whiteboard just by drawing a text box. So I'm going to draw a text box on here, and I am going to put, let's see, link cool things for your students. Okay, and then also, yep, nothing like letting them find your Easter eggs. All right. Okay, so for those of you who don't know what an Easter egg is a surprise or fun thing that is hidden in a video game. So in this case, I put Easter eggs on my home pages, which are that I have some fun links that are just to new and interesting things. So I don't like the Arial font, so I'm going to switch that to something else. Ooh, that's nice. Okay, I'm going to use that one, and I'm going to make it just a little bit bigger. Okay, that looks good. And I think I'm going to reposition the text box. So to do that, you just click the text box, bring up the little 4-directional arrow by floating over it, and just move your box around. So there we go. Now it's in the right spot. Okay, I want to actually put a link to my Instagram on myself here. So in order to link, actually, you know what? I'm going to add some items first. So I'm going to put some art on the walls here. So let's just search for generalized art, and then I will show you how to link videos to, or link actual websites to your objects. I'm not seeing anything at all. Okay, I'm going to go for specific artists. Let's check Keith Haring. Okay. Oh, I like this yellow one. I'm going to try and use this. It doesn't look like it's transparent, though. No, it's got a background. Okay, I'm going to get rid of that. Because there's no way I'm not going to deal with cropping it right now, but I'm going to look for a different one because I saw another one on there that I liked. Okay, so I am going to use this one of the person holding a baby, and I'm going to hit insert. Okay, it's obviously way too big, so I'm going to size that down and hang it on my imaginary virtual wall. That looks about right, so I'm going to go ahead and drag that into place, and there we go. And I want another piece of art on the walls here. So I'm going to look for another artist. Let's see. Who am I going to look for? Well, Keith Haring and Basquiat were best buddies. So let's do Basquiat. Okay. I don't know which of these is going to size correctly, so I might need to find a cool one or a different one. Let's see about... Wow, what a weird image search. Let's see about this one. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and insert that. No, I don't like that one. Okay, so I'm going to go look for a different Basquiat because I saw another one in there that'll work. No, not that one. No, I like this top one. I need to unselect that one. Okay, unselected it. There we go. Okay, I'm going to insert this one. And now I'm going to size that way down. Oh, that's such a cool painting. Okay, it needs to be sized down a little bit more. Okay, and I'm going to hang that right next door. I need to size myself down here. So I'm going to just move myself down a little bit in the frame. And then I'm going to click my Basquiat and move it down so it's hung nicely on the wall. And now I'm going to try and make some links to things so you can actually see how to embed links into your Google slide. So first things first, I want to link myself. So my actual portrait, I'm going to link to my Instagram. So in order to do that, I'm actually going to make something, I'm going to put a shape over my face. You don't have to do it this way, but it makes it so that you're clicking a more specific area. So I'm going to put a shape over myself. Right now, it's going to be white. That will change, but as soon as it's drawn, it's white. Now I am going to I'm going to hyperlink to that shape. So I need to actually go, I wonder if I can do this off the top of my head. I don't think I can. I'm just going to go look. Okay, so I'm going to go over and go to Instagram. So I'm actually going to go and look up the website that I want to link. And I am going to go to my own homepage here. I don't want notifications on. Thank you, Instagram. Okay, so I'm going to go to my own homepage, and I am going to select the address and hit Command C, and then I'm going to hit Command V into the box, and voila, it is linked. So I then made the box transparent, and I made the border on the box transparent. Now, whenever I'm doing this, okay, in this case, so what am I going to link to Basquiat? I am actually going to just put in Basquiat and see what comes up. And I am going to link his Wikipedia page. So in order to link a page, you right click it and then hit copy link address. In order to link to an object on here, you hit Command K, and then it will come up and allow you to put in that link box you're seeing. So you hit Command K while you are on Google Slides to be able to link. So in this case, I am going to now link Keith Haring's actual website to his painting here. So again, I'm going to hit Command K and then Command V and apply. So now how do you link to specific text? Well, you know what? I'm going to give the kids some fun information on Fabergé eggs under the words Easter eggs. So I'm looking up Fabergé egg, and I'm going to go ahead and copy the Fabergé egg Wikipedia. And so I'm copying the link address. I'm going to come over here and I have my selected text. I'm going to hit Command K, and you'll notice at the top there it says Easter eggs, and then that I am linking specifically to that text, and then I will paste the address in there. I'm going to remove the underline from underneath this and change the font or the font color because I cannot stand underlines under links. They're so ugly. And then I'm also going to put another Easter egg in here. I'm going to find something cool to put behind cool things. And I'm thinking cool like ice. So polar bears. We're going to link polar bears. Okay, so I'm going to link Polar Bears International to my cool things. And in order to do that, again, I hit Command K. You'll see that the text says cool things is what my link is going to be. And then I just Command V my link that I have copied into there. And now, you know what? Just for funsies, I'm actually going to make this couch link to something. It's here. We might as well use it. I think I'm going to look up museum collections of furniture. So, historical furniture. Let's see what comes up. Oh, there we go. There's a cool article that's museum furniture collections from around the world. Awesome. I think this looks totally fun. So I'm going to go ahead and link this to the couch. So I'm going to hit Command C to copy that address. I'm going to hit Command K to go ahead and link it to the couch. And then I'm going to insert it with Command V and hit apply. So now I have a fully linked Google slide. Now that my Google slide is created and linked, I need to publish it in order to put it on Canvas. So I'm going to go to File, Publish to the Web, and I am going to, so on here, you're going to see I have to actually hit publish. It's going to ask me if I really want to do that, and I do. And now we're going to go to the embed tag. This is the trick. So once you hit embed, you're going to select the entire amount of text there and hit Command C. We are then going to go over to our Canvas dashboard. So once you're on your Canvas dashboard, I'm just going to put this in my AP drawing, or actually I guess I'll put it in AP 3D just because I'm going to create a fake page for the sake of doing this. So I'm going to go to AP 3D, and you'll see my current active Canvas page for them. So this is what happens if you really build one of these. Everything on here is linked. So every painting, every word, my office hours, my book, my coffee cup, my dog, my face, every single one of these. So you'll notice, oh, okay, I click resources, it's going to take you to resources. I click art theory, it's going to take you to my art criticism. So each one of those links actually takes you directly to something. And all of them exist in order so that the kids have really, really easy access to them. And it also makes it fun. So in this case, I'm going to go to my pages, and I'm going to go to view all pages. And I am going to go ahead and create a new page. So you go up to your right, you create a new page, and now we're going to go ahead and go in here and click this thing that says HTML editor. You will know that the HTML editor is turned on when all of your options go away underneath your title box. So I'm just going to title this demo page, and I'm going to go ahead and hit Command V and paste in that entire Google slide and hit save. So, voila! Now I have a demo page. Now all of these links function. So if I go ahead and click the Basquiat one, I go to the Jean-Michel Basquiat Wikipedia. If I click myself, I'm going to go to my Instagram. Oh, there's my Instagram. If I click the Keith Haring one, it's going to take me to the Haring Foundation. If I click cool things, it's going to go ahead and take me to the International Polar Bears website. If I click Easter eggs, I'm going to get to learn something about Fabergé eggs. And even if I click my couch, I'm going to even get to see 15 beautiful museum furniture collections from around the world. So each one of those links now functions on the front page. And so a kid can actually navigate all of these objects just by clicking your front slide. I love it because it basically means that they don't have to scroll to find the information, and it gets them to interact with objects and have a good time. I hope this helped. Any questions, you know where to find me.